Yes, open up your eyes, children. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, good morning, all of you. Yes. Okay, children, are you ready for the yoga? Yes, all of you are ready for yoga? Before that, breathing exercise. Okay, breathe in and breathe out exercise. Are you all ready? Yes. First, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, very good, children. Now, our yoga. What is the first thing? Yes, all of you put your hands up straight like this. Then bend to your right. All of you do it. Bend to your right. Come back to position. Now, bend to your left. Come back to position. Again, bend to your right. Come back to position. And to your left. Come back to position. Yes? Good, children. Now, next thing is you have to do action words. Okay, are you ready to do the action words? Yes, jumping. Jump, all of you. Jump. Jump, all of you. Jump. Yes, jumping. Running. Yes, running. And then skipping. How will you skip? Skip like this. Skipping. Okay, very good, children. And then now we are going to do the animal sounds. Are you all ready to do the animal sounds? Yes? Animal sounds? First, how does a cow says? Cow. What does a cow say, children? Moo. Moo. Nighting. Nighting in your four legs like that. Okay, moo. And then, how does a crow say? How does a crow fly? Come on, fly, children. All of you fly like a crow. Ka, ka. Sound like a crow and fly. Ka, ka, ka. Yes. Yes, stretch your wings and fly. Yes, Nightingale. Stretch your wings and fly. Yes, very good, children. And then, how does a cat sound? How does a cat sound? Cat, cat. Meow, meow, meow. And then, oh, very good dog. How does a dog sound? Yes, very good, children. Okay, now are you ready for road counting? We are going to jump and count. Okay, now start jumping and count. One. Yes, jump, all of you. I want to see everyone jumping. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Come on, jump. Nobody should stand. I want to see everyone jumping. Kavyani, start jumping. 21, sorry, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, over. Clap your hands. Now all of you run inside, drink one glass of water and come back along with your calendar. Okay, drink your water and come back with your calendar. Come on. Okay, come on, drink. I want all of you to drink one glass of water and come back. You're sitting, I can't taste nice. Yes. Ready with your calendar? Ready? Come on, bring your calendar, all of you. Who is going to tell me the date today, children? Anyone who is going to tell me the date? Farnaz, will you tell me the date today? Yes, Farnaz?
Monday.
Yes. Farnaz, will you tell me the date today? Date, month, day, everything. Okay? Monday. Yes, children. Calendar is here. Children, last month we did it. It was July month. Okay? Now it's what month? July. After July? August. Okay? This month is August. Okay? And the date is, what is the date, Farnas? Yes, Farnas, what is the date? 3. Yes, it's 3. And the day is Monday. Okay? And is the month July, children? No, July month is over. And now the month is August. Okay? Now we are going to color the date 3 and the day is Monday. If you see right up here, it is Monday. Come on, all of you, color it. Yeah, finish. Finish coloring, all of you? Yes, very good, children. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay. Keep it aside. Yes, those who finished, very good. I saw everyone's calendar. Very good. Very good, children. And now, yes, children. Ready? Very good. Yes. Who's that? Yeah, Pranita, good. I saw everyone. I'm seeing everyone in the screen. Very good. Now, all of you, take your Rakhi. Do you know what is the day today, children? What celebration is today? Can anybody tell me? Who will tell me today? Kartikeyan. What is the celebration today? Yes. What is the celebration today? Yeah, tell me. Raksha Bandhan. Yes. You have your Rakhi. Rakhi is with you. All of you show your Rakhi. Let me see. Show your Rakhi like this. Let me take a snap out of it. Come on, all of you show your Rakhi. Lift your Rakhi and show it. Nobody should tie it in your hand, children. We are going to tie it now, okay? So if you have tied it also, remove it and show it to ma'am like this. Okay? I'm going to take a snapshot. Yeah, everyone. Very good, children. Yes. Okay, children, do you know what is Raksha Bandhan, children? Yes, do you know what is Raksha Bandhan? Yes, Raksha Bandhan, we celebrate the bond between the brother and the sister. We all have brother, sister. We all have brother and sister. How many of you have brother? How many of you have sisters? Just lift your hands. If you have brother, sister, lift your hands. Yes, you all love your brother and sister, right? Yes, you all love your brother, you all love your sister, yes. So this is the day to celebrate the bond between them, okay? In this day, you know what the sisters will do? They will buy a Rakhi like this. This is called Rakhi. Yes, the Rakhi, the knot which you are having the tie like thing, it's the Rakhi, okay? This they will tie it in the brother's hand. Okay, that means the brother will take care of the sister lifelong. Whatever problem she is having, he is going to help her out. Okay, so tying this Rakhi means the brother is going to help the sister all throughout the day and lifelong. Okay, whatever problem she is having, the brother is going to go and help her. Okay, that is the meaning of tying Rakhi in brother's hand. And now children, if you have your brother or sister next to you, come on, bring them and tie this in their hands. Yes, if you have a sister also, you can tie. No problem in that. You can tie it in their hand. Okay, let me see. Yes. Yeah, Pranita, tie it in your brother's hand. Very nice, Pranita. Tie it in your brother's hand, come on. Yes. Yes, if you have a sellotape, just take a sellotape and stick it. If it is not that much big, you can take a sellotape and stick it. Okay? children. Very good. All of you bring your brother or sister. Come on, Janavi. Yeah, Janavi. Tie to your brother.
Sister.
Very good, Janavi. Yes? Yes, Siddharth?
Ma'am, he's telling that he don't have sister.
You don't have sister? Oh my God. What to do? Tell your mama to tie in your hand itself. What to do? Do you have a doll? A doll hand also. You can tie it in a doll's hand.
He's very
You have a-
upset, ma'am. He's very upset. In our family,
Oh
all
my
5
God.
boys.
Yeah, give him a doll. Give him a doll. Have a doll?
Okay.
You have a doll? Tie it to your doll's hand, okay? Okay? Should not be upset for that, Siddharth, okay? Take a doll. You can take a doll and tie it in its hand also, okay? If you don't want to tell brother what to do, okay? Take a doll and tie it with that, okay? Farnaz. Yes, Farnaz. Very nice, Farnaz. Good. Very good. Janavi, good. Naitek. Yes, Naitek tied to his own hand. Very good, children. This is also a nice idea. Who tied it, Naitek? Your sister. Can I see your sister? Can I see your sister? I can't see her. I can't see her face. Hi. Very nice, and thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Rohita. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who tied it, Rohita? Mom.
Mom.
Who tied it?
Cheppu, my mom ani.
My mom.
Yes, very good, Rohita. Again. Children, you can tie it to your hands on your own. And if you want to tie it to a doll, no problem in that. If you are a single child, what to do, you can do it. Either
And
yes, yes, Kavyani. Everyone, please mute yourself. I'm going to call you back. Okay? Please mute yourself, everyone. First, I'll finish it off with Kartikeyan and then I'll come back. Okay, children? First, Kartikeyan. Why Kartikeyan is very fast?
you don't have sister, ma'am.
Yes, can you type for me? Yes, type. Yes, I'll type for Kartikeyan. Come here. I'll type for you, Kartikeyan. Come on. Yes, shall I type for you? Yes? Yes, just show me a hand. Yes, this is for Kartikeyan. Yes, happy? Kartikeyan is happy? Yes. Next is Kavyani. Yeah, Kavyani. Yeah. You tied to your brother. So sweet. Very nice, Kavyani. Very good. Nice. Good. Okay, next. Okay, mute yourself, Kavyani. Yes, Pranita. Good, Pranita. Very nice. Now mute yourself. Everyone, after answering, please mute yourself. Okay? Hashni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where is your brother? You tied to yourself. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Next. Who did it? Rohita finished. Kartikeyan finished. Tarnika. Yes, Tarnika. Very good. Very nice, Tarnika. Your Rocky looks very cute. Very nice. Dikshan. Yeah, Dikshan. Yes, Dikshan. Show me a hand. Like this. Yeah, very nice, Dikshan. Wow. Nice. Nukshita. Did you tie it to your brother, Nukshita? Where is your brother? Yeah, where is your brother? Where? Where is your brother? Nukshita? Where is your brother, Nukshita? Did you tie it to your brother? Yes? Okay, Nukshita. Next is Jahnavi finished. Farnas finished. Sai Nitesh. Yes, you typed for yourself. Very good, Sai Nitesh. Very nice, Raki Sai Nitesh. Good. Very good boy. Satvika Sri. Did you type for your brother, Satvika?
Ma'am, he's sleeping, ma'am, so she tied it to a doll.
Okay, you have to tie it, take a snapshot and send it in WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah, sure, ma'am, sure.
Next is Ritvik. Where is your Raki, Ritvik? Ritvik, show me your Raki. Yes, I can't see your Raki, Ritvik. Yes, Ritvik, come on, show me. Yes, very good, Ritvik. Nice, Raki, Ritvik. Very good, nice. Well done. And then Vivan, Vivan. Vivan. Yes, Vivan. Where is your Raki, Vishan? Where is your Raki? Where is your Raki?
I don't have sister.
No Raki?
I know.
I don't have
You don't have.
The sister.
Okay, I'll type for you. Okay? No sister means it's okay. We'll type. Okay, this is for Vishan. Yes? Okay. Very good, Vishan. Vivan. Vivan. Yes, your brother Vivan.
Brother.
Good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Vivan is also having. Vivan, very nice.
Ma'am, I tried for Viman's brother.
Yeah. Very good and thank you so much. Okay, children, I saw everyone's right. Dhanvin? Yes, Dhanvin. Where is your Raki? Do you have a brother?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, you type for yourself. Very good. Very nice. Very creative, Raki. Very nice. Yeah, Dev Krish. Where is your Raki? Wow. See, children, Dev Krish has tied it to his doll. Very good. Very good, Dev Krish. Wonderful. Very good. Yeah, very good and well done. Thank you so much, Dev Krish. Okay, children, thank you so much for doing this activity. Thank you for bringing Rakhi and doing this celebration in a great way. Okay, thank you so much, children. Now it's time for our attendance activity. Are you all ready? I'm going to show you your photos and you have to tell me your name and class. Okay? Ready, all of you? Be attentive, children. Yeah.
My name is Siddharth. Aspiring at Chunagedi.
Very good, Siddharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
My name is Nuchita. I'm studying Junior KG.
Yes.
Studying in.
My name is Kavyani.
My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Kavyani.
Vivan!
Yeah, tell me, my name is Vivan. You tell me, Vivan. Ah, very good. Next. Fast, children. Time up. Come on, fast. Fast. Come on. Very good. Ritvik, come on, Ritvik.
I am the Junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik.
I am a I am Teddy.
Very good, Parnas?
I am studying junior KG.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Susank. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vishang.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vishnu. My junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Ready? Ready? Are you there?
I am in junior KG.
Very good, Devkrish.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek.
Good morning, Manina ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Pranita.
I am further from junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Yeah, tell me, Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Yes. Yes, Danvin. Danvin, others, please mute yourself. Then only you can hear Danvin speaking. Please, everybody mute yourself except Danvin.
My name is Danvin Rai. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Danvin.
Who is this?
My name
What is her name?
is Taniti Tunit.
Very good, Sai Nitesh. Tilakar.
My name is Hasni. I am studying in junior KG.
Yeah, very good, children. Thank you so much, children. Now I'm going to come back. Okay. Okay, children. Now see here. I'm going to show you the alphabet and you are going to identify it and you are going to do the action. Okay, children? Are you ready for that? Phonic sound and action. Okay? Ready? And so, yes, ma'am will sing. Okay, everybody please be in mute mode. Ma'am is going to sing. Okay, ma'am will sing for you. Okay, children. And so mayam and so mayam and so mayam for sing me alam. Okay. And next is b. Okay. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. And next, C. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. Next is D. Okay. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play up on my drum. Yes. Next is E. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Crack the egg like this. Eh. S. Okay. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Got a hold, the egg came out. Okay. And next is G. water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurg, 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 gurg. Next is H. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Okay, this is the action for H. Ha. Okay, next is I. This is the new letter we are going to learn. It is I. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. What is the action for I? This is the action for I. Everyone do it. Yes. If you mess up with the food all over your mouth, how you will do? Like this, right? You will wipe it out like this, right? So like that you have to do. E. What is the sound of I, children? E. And the action is like this. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Okay? Now, okay, children, we have finished it off with our phonic rhymes. And on Thursday, I taught you a new rhyme. Anyone remembers that vegetable rhyme? Can anybody sing for me? Sing along with me. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Who can sing? Hashni? Can you sing, Hashni?
Vegetables.
It's in rhyme book, parents. You can see it is in rhyme book. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put in the salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes, one more time. Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put in the salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes. Tomorrow I am going to ask you one by one. Everyone have to sing this rhyme. Okay, children? It is in rhyme book. You can check it out. Okay, you can see in that book and you can also learn it from there. Okay, children? And now, children, are you ready with your number cards? Are you ready with your number cards? Are you ready with your number cards, children? Yes? I want everyone to bring your number card. 1 to 10 number cards, okay? Yes, are you ready? If you are ready, thumbs up, children. Those who are ready, thumbs up. Who's that? I have finished with my phonic rhyme, children, and now we are going to do the activity. Yes, come on. 1 to 10 numbers do you have? Yeah, ma'am is also having 1 to 10 numbers. Yes, ready. Ma'am is ready. Everyone is ready? Yes. Let me see. Naitik is ready. Yeah, very good. Kartikeyan, are you ready? Yes, good. Tarnika, Dikshan, Dukshita, Danvin, Kavyarni, Parnas. Be ready with your cards. Come on, bring your cards. Okay. And with your materials. With your materials. Okay. What you have now? I want you to keep it in your table. Okay. Take your number 5. Yes, take your number card 5 and 2. I want you to take number card 5 and 2. Yes, take it on your own, children. Keep it on your table. Yes, I can't show you the table, so ma'am is keeping it on the slate. Okay, keep it on your table. And now I want you to keep the number of objects related to the number. If it is number 1, sorry, if it is number 2, you are going to keep 2. And if it is number 5, you are going to keep 5 objects. Okay, see, ma'am is going to count and keep 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think everyone can see. Yes. For number 2, I have kept 2 objects. And for number 5, I have kept 5 objects. Yes, all of you, are you ready with that? 2 means 2 and 5. Count and keep. Yeah. 5. Yes, Varnas. Count and keep 5 numbers.
Count Chema.
5.
Yeah, 5. Now, children, can you tell me which number has the more number of objects? Yes, children. Can you tell me which has the more number of objects, children? 2 or 5? Where you can see more objects? Yes, touch the number where you can see more objects. Touch the number. Everyone with your pointer finger. Want to see everyone touching with your pointer finger. Yes, very good children. Very smart children. It's number 5. Very good. Number 5, you have many objects here. And you have number 2, you have very less. So this is more and this is less. Okay, which is more and which is less, children? This is more and this is less. Okay, more means you have more number of objects. Less means there is less number of objects. Okay, children. Now another number we are going to try out. Clear your space. And now take number 4. Yes. And number 1. Yeah. Now I want you to keep the number of objects related to the number. Yes. 1. I'm keeping one object here. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, number 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see number 1, I have kept one object and 4. Now, Naitek, now point out which has more objects. Yes, Naitek. Naitek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Naitek. Now point out with your pointer finger which has more number of objects. Touch it. Show me. More. More. Touch it. More. More. And which is less? Yes. Tilt the camera and show me, ma. Which is less?
Less.
Yeah, this is less. Point out with your finger. More. This is less. More means you'll see more number of objects, children. But less means only less amount. Okay? Only few objects you can see. So which is more and which is less? Come on and take. Show me which is more and less. Show me and tell me. Which number has more number of objects? Number 4. And which has less number of objects? It's number 1. Yes, Tarnika? Tarnika? Tarnika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Tarnika. Yeah, Tarnika, show me which has more and which has less number of objects. Which has more? This one or this one?
4.
Yes, 4 has more number of objects and 1 is less. Okay, more, less. Very good, Tarnika. And now we are going to change another number, children. Clear your slate or clear your table. Now take number 3 and take number 7.
Wait.
Yeah, take number 7. Keep it on your table or desk. Now arrange the number of objects.
Count பண்ணு.
3. Count and keep it, children. 1.
ஒழுங்கா count பண்ணு.
1, 2,
அது காட்டு.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and this is only 3. Now is going to go.
Can finish my
Devkrish is there. Devkrish, can you tell me which has more number of objects and which has less number of objects? Yeah, Devkrish.
7.
Yes, very good. Point it out with your finger, ma. Very good, Devkrish. 7 has more number of objects and 3 has less number of objects. So, more, less. More, less. Now I think you all are clear with more and less concepts, children. Yes or no? Yes. The same way we are going to do the worksheet today, and I'll tell you the worksheet number. Worksheet number is day 28 empty. D28 empty. Yeah. D28 empty.
Pencil எப்படி?
Yeah, this is the worksheet, parents. D28 empty.
அப்படி.
Yeah. Yes, children, first write your name. And the date is, ma'am is writing here, 3/ month is 8 August 2020. And your name here. Ma'am is writing my name, you write your name. Yeah. Write the date and name. Ready, children? Yes. Now we are going to count and find out which is more and which is less. Tick the box which has more number of objects in each row. Okay, we are going to tick it which has more number of objects, children. Are you ready? Now first for that, you have to count. Okay, first count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 5 leaf and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have only 4. So, which has the more number of leaf, children? It's number 5. So, tick it. Tick it. Yes? Next number. Next object is oranges. Okay, now we are going to find out in which box we have more number of oranges, children. Okay, shall we count and find out? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 oranges here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6. Okay. Now in which box we have more number of oranges, children? Janavi, can you tell me in which box we have more number of oranges? Yes? 7. No oranges are there. See, I have written the number also. See there? It's number 6. Okay. There you have more number of oranges. It's number 6. So tick the box which have 6 oranges. Very good, Janavi. Thank you. And now next we are going to see which box has more number of flowers. Are you ready, children? Strike it out and count out. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you have 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have only 5. And now who is going to say this? Kartikeyan, can you tell me which box has more number of flowers? Yes, Kartikeyan, can you tell me?
Which box? More. Sorry?
In which box you can see more flowers?
Flowers.
Tell me the number.
Number.
It's
More
number
number.
6. Okay. So the box which has number 6 number of flowers. You have to tick it. Someone tick it. Put a tick mark in that, children. Hope you all have finished the worksheet. I'm going to come back. Yeah, did you all finish your worksheet, children? Those who finished, show me your worksheets. Yeah, Tarnika, good. Good, Tarnika. Well done. Children, don't forget to write your name. Yeah, Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Well done, Rohita. Good. Kavyani, finished. Very good, Kavyani. Well done, Kavyani.
Thank you, Nila ma'am.
Yeah, next is Naitek. Yes, Naitek. Good. Very good, Naitek. Well done, Naitek. Next is Tarnika finished. Yeah. Next, who has finished? Yeah, Naitek, I saw your book. It's nice. Good. Farnaz. Good, Farnaz. All of you striked out and counted. Very nice, children. Very good. A big round of applause for my children. Very, very good. My children are very good.
Pranita ma'am.
Yeah, Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Very good, Pranita. Well done. Yeah, well done, Pranita. Ritvik, lift your book up and show me. Lift your book and show me. Good, Ritvik. Have ticked it? You didn't write the number, Ritvik? You try to write the number next time, okay? Well done, Ritvik. High five.
Okay.
Very good boy, Ritvik. Sai Nitesh. Sai Nitesh finished?
Ma'am, look at the
Yes, show me Sai Nitesh. Let me see what you have done.
He's not writing.
Why, Sai Nitesh? Why, ma? Come on, tick the box which has more number of objects. Come on. Leaf, which box you have more leaf? Come on, tick that box. Which you have more number of leaf. Yeah, tick it. That tick it. Okay, Sai Nitesh, I'll come back. By the time you have to finish. Okay, ma? Look at ma'am. High five.
Okay.
High five. High five.
High five.
Ah, very good, Sai Nitesh. Finish it, I'll come back, okay? Next is Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Very nice. Nukshita, good. Everyone did right? Did I miss out anyone? Kartikeyan. Finish, Kartikeyan. Finish and playing with building block. Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then our next worksheet is going to be the same day D28 LT. D28 LT. Be ready with that worksheet. Yeah, Vivan also finished. Devkrish. Yeah, Devkrish. I saw you, Devkrish. I'm seeing everyone in the book. I saw everyone's book. Very good. Be ready with your worksheet, ma. Day 28 LT. Vishank. Did you finish, Vishank? Vishank finished?
Yes, it's a
You're doing it now? Do it. Yeah, do it.
I
boy.
take it.
Penciling, Sita.
Okay, children. Vivan, Vishank, everyone finished? Siddharth, you also finished, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
very good, Siddharth. Okay, now take the next worksheet. It's going to be D28 LT. Be ready with your worksheet. Ma'am is going to present now.
Report.
Vanilla ma'am, I think this worksheet has been completed on 30th 7.
Yes, sorry, Nukshita has not completed. Why, Nukshita? Yes, Nukshita, where are you? Nukshita? Nukshita or Jahnavi? Who is that?
Vanilla ma'am, this is Jahnavi's mom. D28 page worksheet has been completed. It's on 30th, I think so.
Another one sheet will be there. Ma'am. Sorry. I'll check it out. 1 minute. I'll show you the page.
Yeah, okay.
See the picture, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll show you now. Sorry, it's D29. Sorry, parents, it's my mistake. It's D29. I thought it's D20. Sorry.
Yeah, okay ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, this sheet you will be doing. Sorry, parents. Yeah, I think you all are ready, children. So, I'm going to write the initial letter of the picture, starting letter of the picture. Okay, can you see the picture, children? First one, you can see it's grapes. Next, you can see house. Next, you can see, what is this? What is this, Pranita? Can you tell me? It's a hippo, okay? Yeah. Next is giraffe, okay? Now we are going to write the starting letter of each picture. Okay, what letter will a grape start with, children? Grapes. G for grapes. So you are having a box here. You are going to write G. You can write small g, or else you don't feel comfortable to write G. You can write capital G also, children. You write small g, it's well and good. Ready? Yeah. G. Come on. G for grapes, small g, or you can write capital G. Yes. Next, house. H for house. You can either write small h, or else you can write capital H. House. Small h. If you don't know to write, you can write capital H. And next, it's going to be hippo. So again, you are going to write H here. H for hippo and G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Yeah. G for grapes, H for house, H for hippo, and G for giraffe. Yes, did you all finish it, children? Yeah, did you all finish it? Do it slowly. Yeah, good. Janvi finished? Janvi finished? Yeah. Those who finished? Yes, those. Yeah, Yeah, who's that? Nitek. Very good, Nitek. Janvi, where is your book, Janvi? Good night. Karthikeyan, good. Kavyarni. Yes, Karthikeyan, good. Kavyarni, good. Yes, Farnas. Good, Farnas. Very good, Farnas. Children, write your name also, children. See, Farnas has written her name. Write your name and write the date also, okay? Everyone has finished. Sarnika, Rohita, Danvin. Yeah, very good. Danvin. Very good, Danvin. Write your name, Danvin, by the time. Okay? Let me finish. Nukshita. Nukshita, ma. Show me your book, come on. You got your workbook? Nukshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you got your workbook, Nukshita. Yes, show me, ma.
Show me.
Lift your book and show it to ma'am, come on. Yeah, show it to me. Very good. Lift it up. Little bit, lift it up. Yeah, good. Very good, Nukshita. And the worksheet, more or less worksheet, that too you finished? Very good. Good girl. Yes, Hashni, Tarnika. Very good. Very good. Hashni. Good, good. Very good, Hashni. Write your name also, Hashni, okay? Devkrish. Finish? Write your name, Devkrish. Come on. Finish writing your name. Very good, Devkrish. Good boy. Children, you are all very good children. Before telling your
Actually, write your name.
Very good, very good. Good children. Next, Vivan. Vivan, what are you doing, Vivan? No sound of you. What are you doing? Yes, good, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. And where is your name, Vivan? You have written? Good, good. Very good boy, Vivan. Vishank. Yes, Vishank. Show me your worksheet. I want to put down. Show me your workbook. Vishank, open and show it to me. Yeah, I'll be glad, Pranita. One more. Yeah, Pranita. Okay, Pranita. Mute yourself. Pranita and Satvika, mute yourself. I'll call you. Okay? Yes, Vishank. Show me your book, ma. Vishank. Vishank, see here. I have a chocolate with me. See here.
Ma'am, I'm
See
writing,
here.
ma'am.
I'm writing, ma'am.
I have a chocolate here. If you want the chocolate, you have to do it. Finished? Very good. Next sheet.
I'm writing, ma'am. Okay.
Finished.
I'm
Are you
writing.
cheating, ma'am, Vishank? Are you cheating, ma'am, Vishank? Ma'am is very sad. Why? Because Vishank is not doing. Yes, Vishank. Show me your face. Come on.
Show me.
Vishank.
I'm writing. I said I'm writing.
Come on, Vishank. What happened to Vishank?
I'm writing.
What happened to Vishank? When I open my eyes, Vishank should smile. Ready? 1, 2, 2.5, and 3. Yes, you smile. Yeah, very good. Now finish your worksheet and show it to ma'am. You're a good boy, right? Finish your worksheet. Very good boy. Do it, do it.
Ma'am, we have power cut, ma'am.
Yes,
So
Pranita.
we'll send it on
Good.
WhatsApp.
Show your worksheet, Pranita. Where is your worksheet, ma? Good. Very good, Pranita. Good girl. Okay, those who finished, please take your slate and your chalk piece. Take your slate. Yeah. Take your slate and chalk. Children, I want everyone to write small a and show it to me. Because homework which you have sent, many of you has not written it correctly. Okay, children. So those who finished, I want you to write and show me the small letter A. This is the way how you write A. Here. Have to put a curve. First a curve. Go up and come down. Okay? See, put a curve. Go up and come down. This is the way you write A. Put a curve. Go up and come down. But many of you have written like this. This is not correct. Okay, this is not correct, children. You should not write in that. Okay, see. First put a curve. I'll write it this side. Put a curve. Go up and come down. Okay, like that you have to write, children. Come on, show me. Everyone write and show me. Small letter A.
And look, I'm finished.
Yes, who finished? Rohita, show me how you have written. No, Rohita, you should not put a circle and write. It's not like that. First, how will you write C?
Ma'am,
Come on,
but like,
how will you write C? First, write C.
right.
C, Rohita. First, write C.
Ma'am, ఎదురుకున్నారా?
Rohita is a good girl. First, you write C, ma. Rohita.
Ma'am, character రాసింది, but like, look like that one.
Yeah. First, you write C.
Ma'am, చూస్తున్నప్పుడు
Have to write C. Not correct C like this.
ఇలా
Okay? And then, from down, you are going to go up and come down. Go up in the same line and come down. Yeah? Parents, please guide them to write A. First, they have to put a curve like this. Go up and come down.
మ్యామ్ తిడతారు, మ్యామ్ చూస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇలా స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఇలా ఇంకా పైకి వరకు ఇంతవరకు.
Okay, parents, you write A in the slate and give it to them. Let them overwrite on that A.
పిచ్చు
Let them overwrite. Parents, you can write and give it to them. But please don't encourage them to write like this. Put a circle, put a slanting line like this. Please don't encourage them in that way. They have to write it in a correct way. Should be like this. Go up and come down. Should be like this. Okay, please, children. Try it a little bit. Try. It will come for you, children. You're all very smart children, right? Yes, Danvin. Good, Danvin. Very nice, Danvin. Danvin is correct. Karthikeyan, how did you write? Yes, good. Karthikeyan, good. Nitek, how did you write A? Yes, very good, Nitek. Good. Very good, Nitek. Nitek, you don't have slate, Nitek? Don't have slate? Oh.
Ma'am, no chalk piece.
No chalk piece.
Shops are closed.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Nitek. Did you write A? Yeah, good, Tarnika. Children, try to write it in the correct way, children. Dikshan, let me see how is your A. Come on. Dikshan. Yeah, go up, come down. Yeah, very good. Without taking your hand out, you have to write. Very good, Dikshan. Correct way of writing. Very good. Parnaz. Parnaz.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Parnaz. Very good. Tarnika. Tarnika, I think I saw yours. Very good. Good, Tarnika. Devkrish. Yes, good.
Ma'am.
Very nice. Hashni.
Kenita, ma'am.
Show me, Hashni. How you are writing A? Come on, ma'am. Are you first writing the curve going up and come down? Yes, are you writing in that way? Can you tilt the camera and show me how she is writing? Just tilt your camera and show me. Yeah, good. Good. Hashni, good. Nukshita, did you write, Nukshita? Yeah. One more time, can you write, Nukshita? I want to see how you are writing. One more time, Nukshita, let me see how you are writing. Yeah, write in that space, right? curve, go up and come down. Yeah. No, that's what I said. No, we should not draw a circle. Only a curve should go up and come down. Okay, children? Don't draw a circle, children. Then you will not be able to change that way. Please don't write it in that way. Yes, now can you show me Nukshita's mom? How she is writing? One more time, Nukshita. I can't see Nukshita. Go up and come down. In the same way, you have to come down. The way you are going up, right? The same way you have to come down. Yeah. Right, Nukshita. Yes, good. Yes, Pranita. Good, Pranita. Very good. Everyone's I saw? Okay. Satvika, where is your A? Satvika. Where is your A, Satvika?
Ma'am, she has written and she's scribbling, ma'am.
Okay, she's erasing it. Okay, but she has written it correctly?
Yeah, she's correcting, writing correctly.
Okay, children. Very good, children. Did I miss out anyone? Everyone's I saw? Did I miss out anyone? If I missed out, please call me now. Yes, Sai Nitesh. Did you write Sai Nitesh?
Sanitesh.
Sai Nitesh, did you write A? Where is your slate, Sai Nitesh?
He's not writing A, ma'am.
Nitesh, where is your slate? Sai Nitesh?
There,
Did you write? Very good, Sai Nitesh. High five.
No, ma'am, he did not write it. I only wrote
Right.
it.
Write over it.
Only to write that.
Come on, write, Sai Nitesh. You are a good boy. Come on, write. Write. Very good.
Ma'am, you are going to say it, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ah.
Come on. Just one time you trace it, Sai Nitesh. Okay? Just one time you trace it.
He's going to write, ma'am. Ah.
Yeah, very good boy. Right. A curve, go up and come down.
Super baby.
No, sir.
Cancel, that's all. Wow.
He wrote like this.
Okay, it's okay. Very good, Sai Nitesh. Thank you, Sai Nitesh. Yes, who's that? Ritvik. Ritvik, did you write, man? Show me how you have written. Ritvik is a left-hander. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ritvik. Well done, Ritvik. Good boy. Okay, Siddharth, did you write? Yes, good, Siddharth. Okay, children. Very good, children. So far, many of you have written it correctly. And thank you so much, children, for the cooperation. And tomorrow, another activity we have. I'll send you through WhatsApp. Okay? Check it out, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye, children. Bye. Bye. Yeah, bye, everyone. Bye.